I'll take that. Hey, when y'all come out feet first, okay? Feet first.
I'm getting scared. Get it wrong. Today.